Dear students, now we try to do one more problem in trigonometry up to transformations. This is a different problem and it is a little lengthy also. In triangle ABC, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2 is equal to 4 cos pi plus A by 4 cos pi plus B by 4 cos pi minus C by 4. In the earlier problems, none of the sides, LHS or RHS, we didn't see pi. In none of the problems and in none of the sides, we didn't see pi. But whereas in this problem, we see pi in one of the side. One of the side contain pi. So, it will be easy if you prove from RHS to LHS. How could I know whether we have to start with LHS or RHS? In the problem, if you see pi in either of the sides, in such problems, start with RHS and end with LHS. This methodology will be little easy than LHS to RHS. So, in this kind of problems, we start with RHS and end with LHS. Given A plus B plus C equal to 180, how? In triangle ABC, sum of three angles is 180, where 180 means pi. Because we are having a pi, so instead of writing 180, I have written pi. What is RHS? 4 cos pi plus A by 4, cos pi plus B by 4, cos pi minus C by 4. Now, this 4 is splitted as 2 into 2, 2 into 2. All these are in multiplication. All these are in multiplication. So, I have written 4 as 2 into 2 and this C term separately. So, first of all, I want to use these two terms. 4 written as 2 into 2. C term written separately. So, 2 cos pi minus C by 4. 2 into cos pi plus A by 4. Cos pi plus B by 4. This is in the form of, take this as A, this as B. Then you can see 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. You can see the formula here. 2 cos A cos B. So we have to use this formula, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So cos A plus B plus cos A minus after bracket. Many of the times I said soon after minus it's better to open bracket. So in between minus, after minus I have written in the bracket. Now 2 cos pi minus c by 4, same, cos, take LCM, LCM is 4, pi plus A plus pi plus B plus cos, LCM is 4, so 4, numerator is pi plus A, multiply minus inside, minus pi, minus into plus, minus B. Now 2 cos pi minus c by 4 as it is, pi plus pi, 2 pi, A plus B, split the denominator for 2 pi and A plus B, because we can split the denominator to the numerator, pi plus pi, 2 pi, so 2 pi by 4, plus the remaining terms A plus B by 4, plus cos, we can cancel plus pi minus pi, the remaining are cos A minus B by 4. Here we can cancel 2 table, pi by 2, pi means 180, 180 by 2 is 90. So cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta, 90 plus comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, so minus. Remove 0, 9 is odd, cos will change to sin. Theta is A plus B by 4. Once again, 90 plus theta, second quadrant cos is negative, 9 is odd after removal of 0, 9 is odd, so cos will change to sin, and the theta is A plus B by 4 plus cos A minus B by 4. Here in the bracket one term is negative, the other is positive. So I have written positive term in the beginning, later the negative term. Next, it is into in between, so multiply this term inside to both the terms. So 2 cos A minus B by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4, plus into minus, minus 2 into sin A plus B by 4 into cos pi minus c by 4. If you observe, this is in the form of A, take this as A, this as B. What is the formula? 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula of 2 cos A cos B? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Again, this as A and this as B. Keep minus aside. If you observe, 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. Formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Now, in the next step, we replace this with the formula and A as a minus b by 4, b as pi minus c by 4. So, by replacing, we can see this step. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b minus after bracket sin a plus b plus sin a minus b minus after bracket. So, cos LCM 4, the numerator is a minus b plus pi minus c, plus cos LCM is 4, a minus b minus pi minus into minus plus c. Multiply minus inside, minus sin, and take LCM. LCM is 4. Numerator is a plus b plus pi minus c. Minus into plus, minus sin, LCM is again 4, a plus b minus pi plus c, minus into minus plus c. So, in the hypothesis it is given pi as a plus b plus c. If you write pi as a plus b plus c, plus b minus b cancel, plus c minus c cancel. In the place of pi you have written this. What is remaining? A and a plus a is 2a by 4. We are having by 4, so by 4. Plus, in the place of pi, you have to write minus. In the place of pi, you have to write a plus b plus c. But whereas here, you are having minus pi. So, you have to write minus a, minus b, minus c. Which terms gets cancelled? Plus a minus a gets cancelled. Plus c minus c gets cancelled. What are the remaining? Minus b minus b. Minus 2b by 4. Minus sin. What is pi? In the place of pi, we can write a plus b plus c. So, plus c minus c gets cancelled. Remaining a plus a, 2a, b plus b, 2b by 4. So, 2a plus 2b by 4. Minus, in the place of minus pi, we can write a plus b plus c. So, minus a, minus b, minus c. So, plus a minus a, plus b minus b, plus c minus c all get cancelled. In the place of minus pi, we can write minus a, minus b, minus c. All the terms gets cancelled. The remaining is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. So, minus sign 0. Here, 2 also gets cancelled again. 2. So, cos a by 2 plus in the form of cos minus theta. Cos minus theta is cos theta. So, cos minus b by 2 is cos b by 2. Minus, split the denominator to the numerator. 2a by 4 plus 2b by 4. 2 table 2 times. What is the value of sin 0? 0. So, minus 0. Minus 0 is of no use. Remove it. So, cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 minus the remaining are sin a by 2 plus b by 2. What is the hypothesis? A plus b plus c equal to pi. Pi means 180. Since you are having a by 2, b by 2 and c by 2, we have to write, or we have to take by 2 on both sides. A by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90. So in the place of a by 2 plus b by 2, in the place of a by 2 plus b by 2, we can write 90 minus c by 2. So I have written 90 minus c by 2. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So plus. Remove 0. 9 is odd. Sign will change to cos. Theta is c by 2. Minus into plus. Minus. So the remaining step is cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2. That is our required RHS. Hence proved. So how to recognize that we have to start with RHS and end with LHS. This is LHS. In the problems, if you come across pi, once we go to the problem, if you come across pi in either of the sides, mostly we see pi in RHS side. If you come across pi, then it's better to start with RHS and end with LHS. Hence, our problem is over.